Route 2A and 2B. Inbound from Plymouth Mall to the Blake Transit Center. From the shelter stand at Plymouth Mall, we'll continue south on Nixon Road, making a right turn at Plymouth Road. This is the inbound 2A and 2B. Please adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules, allowing pedestrians the right of way in marked crosswalks. Stop approaching. Passing Traverwood. Stop approaching Blue Line Shelter. Stop approaching Blue Line Shelter here at the Willow Tree Apartments. On the left side, we have the North Campus of the University of Michigan. Uplands to the right, Murphy's to the left. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. There are no more stops until we have reached Barton Drive. Barton Drive is at the stoplight ahead, and it is a tying point. Stop approaching Blue Line Shelter. At Barton Drive, there are no more stops until after you've made your left turn at Maiden Lane. You want to get over to the left lane as quickly and safely as you possibly can. There are no more stops throughout this area. The first of two stoplights approaching, it's Broadway. We want to make our left turn at the second light. We will be making our left turn onto Maiden Lane. Maiden Lane is to the left, Moore is to the right. Those that are familiar with the one route, that is the way for the outbound one. Making our left here at Maiden Lane. Making our left turn onto Maiden Lane. Maiden Lane will turn into East Medical Center Drive. Stop approaching. Again, it turns into East Medical Drive once we cross Fuller. On the right is the Wall Street parking structure, very popular destination. Stop approaching, blue line shelter. From this point, you want to make certain you are in the center lane as we get set to cross Fuller. We're now on East Medical Drive. First stop approaching. Coming up to our next bus stop is the main entrance to the main hospital at University of Michigan. It also serves as a time point. Said stop approaching. That bus shelter is also shared with the University of Michigan bus system. Continuing on East Medical Center Drive. We're now passing Mott Hospital. Stop from Mott Hospital is approaching. From this stop, you want to get over to the left lane as safely and quickly as you possibly can. We will be making our left turn on Observatory. Observatory is a highly residential area. Making our left turn onto Observatory. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Gonna make our right turn onto Getty's. The turn is not all the way at the stoplight. It's a brief cutout here. You want to make certain that you don't go too far and miss it. Make certain that you yield to any other traffic approaching from Getty's. You want to continue straight across stoplight Washington. Crossing Washington into the Central Campus. Our next stop is at the Central Campus Transit Center. We share the stalls and stands with the University of Michigan bus system, often known as the CCTC. This is a time point. From the CCTC, we're going to continue on Getty's as it turns into North University. Continuing on North University as we cross Fletcher. On the right hand side we have the Michigan League as well as Hill Auditorium, two very popular destinations here on Central Campus. Stop approaching. At the stop sign is Thayer Street. Here at Thayer Street, we want to make a right-hand turn. At the stop sign, Washington Street, we want to make a left turn here at Washington. The North Quad is in front of us. Continuing westbound on Washington Street, I'm going to cross over State Street here. Stop approaching. From here, there are no more stops until the Blake Transit Center. Approaching South Division. This is a good place to cash out. Make certain that you know what you are through routed with. And make your preparations to enter into the Blake Transit Center area by way of which bus you are through routed with. We will take this until the 2 stand on 4th Avenue. Making a left at the stoplight here at 5th Avenue. Making our left onto 5th Avenue. Approaching Liberty Street. As we cross Liberty, to the right is the main post office for Ann Arbor, Michigan. Main Ann Arbor Post Office. Notice the Blake Transit Center as we enter the Blake Transit Center area and make our right turn onto East William. And then we're going to make a right turn on South 4th Avenue. Pulling into the number 2 stand, which also serves the number 1 and the number 4. This concludes the inbound Route 2A and 2B from the Plymouth Mall to the Blake Transit Center.